Greetings humans. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview on how to create reoccurring subscription payments using Stripe. So as you can see here, I've got a brand new Stripe account that I've created, and we're going to do these steps using test data because I don't have this account connected to any banks or anything like that. But if you log in, you'll see right here I'm under the dashboard for the test. So this is just the dashboard start page. We're going to click customers, and then we'll click subscriptions, and then we'll create a test subscription. So you'll have to start off with adding a customer. So this customer will be Jane Doe. I'll go ahead and add Jane Doe, and we'll add Jane Doe's email address. And just put in a basic description. So we can put in details here, but we can add customer, and we can also send this to the customer for them to fill out themselves. And so now we'll add a product. I'm going to say I want this reoccurring. The billing period, so we want it monthly, but we could also make it daily, weekly, quarterly, quarterly, yearly, or some custom range. So we're going to go ahead and use monthly. And there's additional options, so like we could add a free trial, add a price description, etc. But then we go ahead and hit add product. Okay. We can add a payment method. So if the client wants to give us their payment method over the phone, then we can enter those details here. And we can add a memo, and finally some advanced options. So we can go ahead and then hit the test subscription. Oh yeah, well, so yeah, the customer is missing a chargeable source, so I haven't added any. So we in this case we would have to email the invoice to the customer to pay manually, and then yeah, these are the payment methods that they would be able to use. So either ACH bank transfer or a credit or debit card. And so this will be sent out. And actually I'm going to go ahead and send this test subscription. Okay. And we can see the subscription. Here we go. This is what they would have received. And so when they pay this, they will automatically be billed $50 as a monthly fee. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.